Namaskaram. Welcome to the 5th annual Margari in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival, organized by National Ethnic Arts, a nonprofit organization founded to preserve, promote, and celebrate ethnic arts. It's a joy to see you all here as we celebrate Margari once again in San Francisco. In the Hindu lunar calendar, Margari is the 9th month, symbolizing a time for spiritual and cultural devotion, especially in southern India. This season, which falls from mid-December to mid-January, is filled with a spirit of bhakti and is marked by vibrant traditions of music and dance. Our Margari in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival is designed to bring the rich essence of the Margari season to the United States. This year, we continue our exploration of the 108 Divya Desams of Lord Vishnu, focusing on 30 more temples after covering 20 last year. Our heartfelt thanks go to Sri Chitravina Ravi Kiran Sir for sharing his profound work on kritis related to these sacred temples, and for allowing us to feature it in this season. Thank you, sir, for your invaluable support. The trivia segments for this season have been graciously contributed by Srimati Lavanya Surender, founder of Om LLC in Milwaukee, and will be presented by Pavitra Krishna Kumar, Apurva Shastri, Sumitra Suryamurthy, and students of Guru Srimati Swati Lakshmanan.
Namaskaram. In today's Talapuranam, we will look at Tirukulandai, part of the Navatirupati group, which is renowned for the temple of Venkatavanan. A Brahmin named Vedasharan and his wife Kumudavati were blessed with a daughter, Kamalavati, after praying to Venkatavanan. The story takes a dramatic turn when a Rakshasa named Silasaran kidnaps Kumudavati and other girls, but Venkatavanan rescues them. After a fierce battle at the banks of the Tamarabarani, the Rakshasa is defeated, and Venkatavanan's divine dance earned him the name Mayakutan, the one who steals hearts. Kamalavati, desiring to marry the deity, is transformed into a small bead by Venkatavanan and placed on his chest. This incident is celebrated during the Tirukalyana Utsavam. The Moolavar is Venkatavanan, also known as the Magnificent Dancer. The Utsavar is Mayakutan, the dancer who captivates devotees with his divine dance. Tirukalyana Utsavam celebrates the marriage of Kamalavati and Venkatavanan in the month of Thai. Chittirai is the annual celebration held in honor of the deity. Vaikasi features special rituals and Garuda Seva. Dhanurmasam celebrates the month of Dhanur with special offerings. Brahmotsavam is a grand 11-day festival during Panguni, concluding with the Teppa Utsavam. The temple has the Venkata Vimanam and the Pushkarini is the river Tamarabarani. Nammalvar composed 11 pasurams in his Thiruvaimuri in praise of Venkatavanan, highlighting his divine qualities. Namaskaram.
Kande ullam kulirndeen kande ullam kulirndeen endan karkande kallakara கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எந்தன் கற்கண்டே கள்ளக்கரசனே கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எந்தன் கற்கண்டே கள்ளக்கரசனே உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் கள்ளற்கரசனே உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எங்கண் கற்கண்டே கள்ளற்கரசனே உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எந்தன் கற்கண்டே உண்டே மண்ணினை உன்னுள்ளுலகமும் உண்டே என காட்டின மாயனே உண்டே மண்ணினை உன்னுள்ளுலகமும் உண்டே என காட்டின மாயனே உண்டே மண்ணினை உன்னுள் உலகமும் உண்டே என காட்டின மாயனே உண்டே மண்ணினை உன்னுள் உலகமும் உண்டே என காட்டின மாயனே உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எந்தன் கற்கண்டே கள்ளற்கரசனே உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எந்தன் கற்கண்டே வேதசாரன் குமுதவல்லி திருமகள் கமலாவதியை மனம் செய்தவனே வேதசாரன் குமுதவல்லி திருமகள் கமலாவதியை மனம் செய்தவனே வேதமதியுள்ள அஸ்மஜாதனை அழிக்க மாய நடம் புரிந்தவனே வேதமதியுள்ள அஸ்மஜாதனை அழிக்க மாய நடம் புரிந்தவனே நாதநேசனே பெரும் குளம் வளர் பாலிகாவன ஸ்ரீனிவாசனே நாரணேசனே பெரும் குளம் வளர் பாலிகாவன ஸ்ரீனிவாசனே நாரணேசனே பெரும் குளம் வளர் பாலிகாவன ஸ்ரீனிவாசனே வேதசாரமதி தமிழில் தந்த நம்மாழ்வார் கவிசசியும் நாடிடும் உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் நாதநேசனே பெரும் குளம் வளர் பாலிகாவன ஸ்ரீனிவாசனே வேதசாரமதி தமிழில் தந்த நம்மாழ்வார் ரவிசசியும் நாடிடும் உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் கணிந்தே எந்தன் கற்கண்டே கள்ளற்கரசனே உனை கண்டே உள்ளம் குளிர்ந்தேன் எந்தன் கற்கண்டே
Now let's enjoy today's performances by
Hari Om and Namaste. With great joy and pride, we introduce today a promising young artist, Sreshta Harish, who is performing for the first time at this annual Margari in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival. A dedicated student of the Temple of Fine Arts, TFA, Texas, Sreshta has been under the guidance of Srimati Shivakami Srinivasan for the last 2 years. A significant milestone in her artistic journey, Sreshta is honored and deeply grateful to have the opportunity to present her offering on this esteemed virtual platform. She would like to thank her gurus, parents, and well-wishers for their invaluable and continuous support. Sreshta starts tonight's presentation offering with a Pushpanjali, followed by a traditional invocation in praise of Lord Shiva in his dancing form of Nataraja. The crisp footwork, poses, and motifs illustrate the form and essence of the Lord of Dance as the one who is worshipped by the Devas, Asuras, and sages. He adorns the sun and the moon while dancing the Tandava, holding the Damaru, wearing tiger skin and bells. Natesha Kautvam in Ragam Gaule and Talam Adi. We begin now.
Dim dim takka tatta dim takka tom tom takka tatta tom takka dim dim takka tatta dim takka tom tom takka tatta tom takka dingida takka dim 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 kida takka tom kida takka tom 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 kida takka dingida takka dim 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 kida takka tom kida takka tom 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 kida takka jam jam takka jam tari takka gum gum takka gum tari takka jam jam takka jam tari takka gum gum takka gum tari takka jam tari kita jam takka jagatari kita jam takka gum tari kita kukundari kita gum takka gum tari kita kukundari kita gum takka takkina dikkina tongina janakida jam jam ta tadakina dikkina tongina janakida jam jam ta takkina dikkina tongina janakida jam jam ta tadakina dikkina tongina janakida jam jam ta takkina taka dikkina taka digi takkina taka dikkina taka tongina taka nangina ta takkina dikkina tongina nangina janakina janati takkadam ಆನಂದ ನವರತ್ನ ವಿಲಸತ್ ಕನಗ ಕಿಂಗಿಣಿ ಜಲಂ ಜಲಜಲಂ ಜಲರವಂ ಮುಕುಂದ ವಿಧಿ ಹಸ್ತಗದ ಮದ್ದಳ ಲಯಧ್ವನಿ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತನವನು ಸಗುಂದರದ ಬರ್ಕಿರದ ನಂದಿ ಮುಗ ಪ್ರಿಂಗಿರಿದಿ ಸಂಗನಿಗಳವು ಸನಂದ ಸನಗ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವಂದಿದ ಪದಂ ಪರಚಿತಂ ಪರನಟಂ ಕೃತಿ ಭಜೆ ಕೃತಿ ಭಜೆ ತಡವಣ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಕಲ ಸುರ ಸನ್ನುದ ಪಾದ ತಡವಣ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಕಲ ಸುರ ಸನ್ನುದ ಪಾದ ಗಿಣಿ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಜನ 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 ಪುರಲಯ ಗಣ 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 ಗಿರಿ ಗರಿ ಸೇವಿತ ತಕ್ಕಡ ದುಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತಾಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತರ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಿದೋ ಬರದಿ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ರಮ ಶಂಕರ ತುಂಬಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತೊಣ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ
Jadiswaram is an item of nritta or pure dance. The dancer expresses joy and beauty through precise movements, building from simple sequences to complex patterns known as tirmanams, culminating in a crescendo of intricate dance. Jadiswaram in Ragam Kannada and Talam Adi.
Sani pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa sani pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa sani pa ma pa ga ma re sa tadam kuda gadi kuda gada ni kita tom ta kita kita jom ta kita jom ta dei tadam kita ta kita jom kita jom ta dei tadam kita ta kita jom ta kita jom tarinda gadi ta kita jom tarinda gadi ta kita jom tarinda gadi ta kita jom sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni sa pa ma ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni ma re sa ni re sa ni pa ma pa ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni pa ma ni pa ma ga ma re sa ni sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma ni pa ma ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ni pa ma ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni pa ma da ni sa re ga ma pa ni re sa ni re sa pa ma ni pa ma ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ga ma da ni sa ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re pa
The next piece is a Tamil Kirtanam by Sri Papanasam Shivan. Vidai Meedil Bhavani Vandan Vedapuri Nadan. This beautiful composition on Lord Shiva describes him as the ruler of Vedapuri. As the Lord of Dance, he adorns serpents and is praised by sages, devas, Brahma and Vishnu, and dances while the Gandharvas play instruments. Sreshta presents Vidai Meedu, a choreography of the late esteemed Srimati Rukmini Devi, in Rangam Simhendra Madhyamam and Talam Rupakam.
Tadari na 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 Vidai meedil pavani vandal Vedapuri nadan Vidai meedil pavani vandal Vedapuri nadan Vidai meedil pavani vandal Vedapuri
Kutakati kutakata dinginatum nam datta Nata jaganandat tei tajje kuttana kuttajam tarinam datta Nata jaganandat tei tajje kuttana kuttajam tarinam datta Naga jaganandatte tajje kutana kutajam tarinam datta Naga jaganandatte tajje kutana kutajam tarinam datta Takadikku kidtaka tarkidatom tak kidaka tarkidatom Takadikku kidaka tarkidatom tak kidaka tarkidatom Takadikku kidaka tarkidatom tak kidaka tarkidatom
Vidai meedil pavani vandal Vedapuri nadan 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 Nadamadum Shiva nadan Nagamaniyum podal Nadamadum Shiva nadan Nagamaniyum podal Kudamuni panil detu kodila ri gari sa ni da ni ri ni da pa ma ga ma pa da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga ri ga ma pa ma pa da ni sa ri ga ga ri sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa da ni vidai dil pavani vandal வேதபுரி நாதன் விடை மீதில் பவனி வந்தார் நாதமிசைக்கும் தேவ நாரிமணிகள் ஆட நாரணன் பிரமனும் நாற்கரம் சிரம் சூட நாதமிசைக்கும் தேவ நாரிமணிகள் ஆட நாரணன் பிரமனும் நாற்கரம் சிரம் சூட கீத கந்தர்வர் எல்லாம் கிளரிசை யாழொலிக்க கீத கந்தர்வர் எல்லாம் கிளரிசை யாழொலிக்க கவி பாடி விஞ்சய உள்ளம் குதூகலிக்க கவி பாடி விஞ்சய உள்ளம் குதூகலிக்க பதனி சரி கரி சனி தனி த பமகம பத பமகரி சரி கம பதனி த பமகரி கம பம பத பதனி தனி சரி கரி சனி சனி தனி சனி த பம பதனி பீடை மீதில் பவனி வந்தார் வேதபுரி நாதன் விடை மீதில் பவனி வந்தார்
The final piece of this evening is Shobillu Saptaswara. A rare song to be presented in Bharatanatyam, this piece is a beautiful union of dance and music. The poetry talks about the divine and beautiful form of the 7 musical notes, how they reside within our navel, our heart, our throat, our tongue and nose, how they shine within the 4 Vedas and are the very essence of the Gayatri Mantra. They reside within the hearts of the celestial beings and Saint Tyagaraja. O mind, praise the form of these 7 notes. Shobillu Saptaswara in Ragam Jaganmohini and Thalam Rupagam. Choreographed by Kumari Surikala.
Come on,
गिरिजार्णव पूर्णेन्दुं समाचित कलानिधिम् अपास्त विघ्नतामिश्रम् सूर्पकर्णमुपास्महे
జయము జయము లలిత కళావానికి, జయము జయము రసజగతి రానికి. A song, an invocation glorifying Kalaivani, the goddess of fine and performing arts. Through the song, dancers hail learned scholars, musicians, dancers, and consorts, and pay their obeisance to sage Siddhendra Yogi, who is regarded as the father of Kuchibudi. The song is set in Ragamalika and Adidalam, choreography by Padma Bhushan Dr. Vimpati Chinna Satyam Garu. జయము జయము లలిత కళావానికి, జయము జయము రసజగతి రానికి. జయము జయము లలిత కళావానికి, జయము జయము రసజగతి రానికి. జయము జయము లలిత కళావానికి, జయము జయము
కూచిపూడి లలిత కళా సమితి రసికుల సమితి ప్రయోగించు 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 చిత్రేంద్రుని మధుర కథా ప్రబంధమునా సిద్ధేంద్రుని మధుర కథా ప్రబంధమును తిలకింపగ రసము పులకింపగ చెడతడబడింపగ జయము జయము లలిత కళావాణికి జయము జయము రస జయతీరాణికి జయము జయము లలిత కళావాణికి జయము జయము రస జయతీరాణికి జయము జయము లలిత
Satyabhama is the feisty, adorable consort of Sri Krishna and the inimitable heroine of Sri Siddhendra Yogi's unique creation,
Bhama Kalapam.
Today, we have chosen to present an excerpt from this hallmark creation of the Kuchipudi tradition, Lekha, the letter. Unable to bear her separation from Krishna, Satyabhama pours her heart out to her confidant, Madhavi. Madhavi, after much deliberation, suggests writing a letter to Krishna. Satyabhama likes the idea and proceeds to do so. In the letter, Satyabhama reminds Krishna of how her father, Lord Satyajit, gave her hand to Krishna in marriage in all its grandeur, and how he showered her with his beautiful love. But she explains her predicament, feeling tormented by Manmata's arrows, well aware that she misses her companionship of Krishna's. Satyabhama pours her heart out to Krishna, describing her virohat kandita avastate. The proud Satyabhama surrenders her heart and soul to Krishna. pleading him to come grace her with his presence.
సత్యభామ, నేనొక మతిమరుపుదాన్ని. శ్రీవారికి చెప్పవలసినవన్నీ ఒక లేఖగా వ్రాసి ఇస్తే స్వామివారికి జాగ్రత్తగా చేరుస్తానమ్మా.
श्रीमद्रत्नाकरपुत्रिका मुखारविन्द मरन्दपानविलोल मिलिन्दायमान श्रीमद्रत्नाकरपुत्रिका मुखारविन्द मरन्दपानविलोल मिलिन्दायमान श्रीमद्रत्नाकरपुत्रिका मुखारविन्द मरन्दपानविलोल मिलिन्दायमान नन्दनन्दना मुचिकुन्दमरादा मन्दलोत्तरा परिहसित राकासुधाकरा సుందర మదనారవిందుడగు శ్రీరాజగోపాల స్వామి వారి చరణారవిందములకు సత్యభామ సత్యభామ నిటల తట ఖడిత కరకమలయై అనేక సాష్టాంగ దండ ప్రణామంబు లాచరించే ఛాయంగల విన్నపములు మజ్జనకుండు సత్రాజిత్తు నన్ను మీకిచ్చి వివాహంబునరించిన ప్రవృతి వజ్ర వైఢూర్య నీల గోమేదిగ పుష్యరాగ ఖచిత పద్మరాగ మరకత మహోబలాది సకల వికల్పిత నానావిధ చిత్ర విచిత్ర జాంబూనద నవరత్న నిర్మితంబగో హంసతూలికా తల్పంబున దివ్యమంగళ విగ్రహాకారులై నన్ను గాఢాలింగన మొనర్చుకొని ఆహ్లాదం బొనగూర్చుచున్న తమరు నాయందు నిర్దయత్వమున కఠిన మనస్కులై నన్ను విడనాడి తొలంగియున్న నాట నుండి సుమసర ఘాతంబుల హృదయంబు కిన్నంబుగాను నచ్చే కీరంబులు క్రూరంబులై అనిమాన్యంబగు నాదంబుల చేయంతొడంగే సుఖ పిక నికరంబులు మొకించుక కరుణించుటకు మారు పూయంతొడంగే మత్త మధుపంబులు జుమ్మను నాదంబుచే తలదివు పుట్టించే మత్త మధుపంబులు జుమ్మను నాదంబుచే తలదివు పుట్టించే చంద్రుండు అనలుండాయే మలయానిలుండు కానాంటకుండాయే నన్నీ క్రూరాత్ముల వారి బడద్రోసి మన్మందిరంబునకు విచ్చేయక నా వంటి అబలయడ చలము సాధించుట తమకు ధర్మంబు కాదు నా వంటి అబలయడ చలము సాధించుట తమకు ధర్మంబు కాదు కావున నన్ను కరుణించి ఇటకు విచ్చేసి మదీయవాంఛితంబును సాఫల్యంబునొందించి రక్షింప ప్రార్థించుదానా చిత్తంజుని బారి కోర్మక చిత్తంజుని బారి కోర్మక తత్తరపడి వ్రాసినాను తప్పో ఒప్పో చిత్తమున కోపమంచక ఇత్తరి బ్రోవంగరామే ఇవియే ప్రణతు ఇవియే ప్రణతు చిత్తగించబలెను ఇట్లు సత్యభామ ఆ ఆ ఆ
Shabdams are very meaningful phrases. In dance, shabdams are dedicated to the presiding deity or king. One of the most traditional and popular shabdams exclusive to the Kuchipudi dance repertoire is Krishna Shabdam. The predominant mood of the song is Shringara Bhava, where the dancer portrays the love of the Nayaka as she invites him to her chambers. The song regales Lord Krishna as the savior of righteousness, destroyer of evil, and whose strength and valor is only matched by the mighty ocean in the Mahamir mountain. The song further extols Krishna as a learned scholar, and whose beauty is more than 100 crores of Cupid's bows, and who's very adept at stealing all the hearts of the women.
ತಗ ಕಿಣನಂತ ತಗಣಂ ತಗ ತಗಂ ತಗ ತಗಜಂ ತಗ ಕಿಡತಗ ತಗ ಜಂ ತಗ ನಂತ ಸುಂದರ ಕಿಟ ತಗ ತಗಿಟ ತಗಿಟ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತಗ ಸಹಿತ ತತ್ತ
Thank you to each artist for their stunning performances. We are delighted to present the Kala Prayatna Award to recognize your dedication to the arts and your exceptional presentation at the 5th Annual Marguerite in San Francisco. We look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow for more captivating performances and insightful trivia on the Divya Desams. This is Purvi Narayanan. Namaskaram.
Thank you for joining us at the 5th Annual Marguerite in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival. We are thrilled to bring you the celebration of our rich cultural heritage through National Ethnic Arts. If you're enjoying our programs and want to support us, simply hit the link in the description to donate. Your contribution helps us continue bringing vibrant, high-quality performances to our community. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Namaskar.